Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Windows build and whether you need NET Framework 3, 5, 4, X, or both. Once done, enable Internet access and choose Installer versus Windows features. Each path differs in prompts and permissions. Make sure to create a system restore point. This prevents rollback headaches if something fails. Now open Settings or Control Panel. Search Turn Windows Features on or off to begin the installation flow, and be ready to grant administrator rights when prompted. You proceed by choosing Installation. If online, download the Microsoft installer and run it as administrator, then follow prompts. Once done with online install, restart when requested to complete registration of runtime components. If offline, mount the ISO or use DISM with the /enable feature command. This handles source files directly. Make sure to point to the correct SXS folder. During these steps, monitor installer logs and watch for error codes so you can address missing dependencies quickly. You finish by restarting the machine and verifying installation with .NET Info or by checking Control Panel and the registry keys. This confirms runtime availability to applications. Once confirmed, test a dependent app to ensure binding works as expected. If something goes wrong, check the event viewer and installer log files for error codes. Then use DISM cleanup image or the NET repair tool to fix component corruption. Finally, if needed, restore the system point you created and retry installation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.